Hello everyone, I'm Mary and I'm Well People of Grade 3 Division. Today I will show you the proper use and handling solid, liquid, and gas. First, solid. Crayon. Crayon is one of the materials being used every time there is an activity. In order not to break your crayon, put it in the box after using it. Cell phone. In order not to drop your phone, especially when you're going outside or everywhere, just put your cell phone on the bag. Second, liquid. Glue. Always close the lid so that the contents do not come out. Water. Just only put the amount that you afford to consume so that it will not be wasted. Third, gas. After boiling the water, just unplug it for the safety. When you are in a crowded place, just wear a mask so you don't get infected easily. Thank you for watching my video. Bye everyone.